This is how I feel right now. Get ready with me for the Taylor Swift Eras Tour Night 2. I am so freaking excited. Let's freaking go. I'm going for Lover Era, so I got all the pink on. I got the pink poppy. I got the pink pajamas. I got my dress feature in the back. I don't want you guys to see it yet. Porta. Oh. So let's go. Okay, not all of my accessories came from Amazon, but some of them did. So we're gonna work with what we have and hopefully the rest gets delivered. Oh, hell yeah. This is my fucking jam. Step one is I gotta take off my current makeup. Guys, I think I might shit my pants tonight. Please hold my hair. Tour. I can make the bad guys good for a weekend. Accessory just got delivered by Amazon. Why do I feel like I have an internal dilemma every time I get ready for something big? I'm like, okay, do I do hair or makeup first? Do my makeup first, but I'm like, should I do my hair first? I think I'm gonna do hair last. Also, I have the most painful zit in my nose and this little spot has still not gone away. I don't know about you guys, but I've been intentionally avoiding night 1 content other than get ready with me and people's amazing outfits, of course. Because I want to be genuinely surprised tonight. Some information that was helpful though that we're going to try to do is the Capital One like seat upgrade. If anybody has more information on that, please let me know in the comments. There's so much pressure. I feel like my makeup has to look so fucking good tonight. I've never felt more proud to live in Arizona than right now. Like Swift City, yes. I definitely think I'm gonna shed some real tears at this concert. I have loved Taylor for years, like literally since I was a kid. I think I've told you guys the story of the time I publicly embarrassed myself for her. I've told this story before, but one of my favorite songs by Taylor Swift growing up was Love Story. So one day when I was pretty young, like elementary school, in music class, my teacher was like, we're doing like show and tell day, show off your talents. Which look, I think I don't have a great voice, but for some reason I was overly confident. And I blame that on the fact that I took voice lessons when I was younger. And the teacher told me that my voice reminded her of like Mariah Carey. Mariah Carey. I'm gonna guess that she just wanted me to keep coming back. Nonetheless, it boosted my confidence. Boosted. So what did I do? I got up in front of my whole class and completely embarrassed myself. Like if there's one thing I had, it was confidence that I was gonna kill that song. I'm also realizing right now that I'm an idiot and it was not Love Story. I also love that song, but it was our song. One hand feel on the steering wheel, the other on my heart. Anyways, now that we fixed that, I was singing our song. So sorry about that mistake. Anyways, I remember that right when she got to the part that was like, our song is the slamming screen doors, my voice cracked so hard. Like it was so bad. There was no coming back from that. And that was the moment that I realized, you know, I am definitely not the next Mariah Carey. Definitely think that she'll play Love Story tonight. At least I hope. But I don't know if she'll play our song. I really hope she does though. My makeup's gotta be slay tonight. The outfit's gotta be slay tonight. Everything's gotta be slay for Taylor. Taylor slay. On my For You page last night, I saw the video that I needed to see. It was a makeup artist stitching a video of Alex Earl's where she was teaching like a makeup hack to make your makeup stay all night. And I'm definitely gonna try it at the end of my makeup because if there's one thing I need, it's for my makeup to stay on my face. This easy. You guys, I'm trying to go full glam tonight. If you follow me, you know that I've like literally never done full glam. So, but I'm gonna try. Taylor, I'm gonna try. Gotta pull out my favorite blushes tonight from Taylor's best friend, Selena. We're going with Encourage and Hope. Mom knew that me and my sisters wanted to go to this concert so bad because we've just always loved Taylor Swift. So she got us tickets for Christmas because she's the freaking GOAT. Bah! That's a sheep. Rip. So I feel like I've been waiting for this concert for like a minute and it feels crazy that it's finally here. I feel the same way as every Get Ready With Me that I've watched. And I feel stressed on time and I just want to make sure that we are not late for anything. More is opening and we want to see them as well. I'll let everything marinate while I do my eyeshadow and then I'll wipe off the bake, set it, and then show you guys the trick I see. You're gorgeous. You guys see that you're propped on my trash can? I just knew that these colors would be so perfect for this concert. To be honest, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing and I also don't even think I own an eyeshadow brush. Good job. Magic Top, you see this? I'm sorry, you're probably screaming, but I'm gonna use this Rare Beauty highlight brush because I don't have anything else. Going with the pinky color. Okay. I'm gonna go in with this pinky color with this one in the crease. Slay. Oh, slay. Setting spray. Time for glitter.
Looks great. You look beautiful.
I just This could also be a really bad idea, but I'm gonna do a tiny wing and I'm gonna do it off camera. Supposed to be sisters, not twins, but I think I did pretty good. Anyways, after I said my mom got tickets, I meant to say that it took me forever to decide what I wanted to wear. Like, I wanted to make sure that I got a dress that I absolutely loved, and it took a minute, but I found her. Also, genuinely shocked that I did eyeshadow today, because even if it looks mid right now, put your setting spray on, then when it's not fully dry but not too damp, you put more powder on over and it will like lock in your makeup. Locked and loaded. Oh yeah, that'll do it. Hi, baby. Is it cute? Because I can't see. Hey you guys, here is the dress. Help me. Next are boots. Here's the boots. Boots are on. What do we think? I think I'm gonna go with these. Finishing it off with the buxom colored dolly. Darling, I'm a nightmare dressed like a daydream. Hey guys, I think that's the finished look. What do you guys think? I am so freaking excited.